So this is the bent over straight leg raise. This is one of the exercises we do in the early stages of lower back pain, and we're just going to demonstrate a set for you now. Okay, so just finding yourself on the bed or on a table, just put a towel down for a bit of comfort. What you can do is also get a pillow. So placing the pillow on the edge of the bed, you're going to bend over the table so your pelvis is on the edge, okay? If you notice, I'm on my tiptoes or I'm just barely hovering here. If you can relax in this position, you'll feel a bit of decompression through the back, and this will actually help to take a lot of pressure off. So if you're very sore, just relaxing here with a hot pack seems to give people a lot of relief. To make this an exercise, we're going to engage the glutes by squeezing the cheeks first, and once you squeeze the cheeks, then you can lift your leg up like that. Holding for about 2 to 3 seconds and then back down. You can choose to hold it to the bed for support or resting under your head like here. So squeezing the cheeks, lift up, 1, 2, and back down. Now we're just going to proceed to do 12 reps, just like this. So the main thing with this is when you do this exercise, you shouldn't really feel any pain. You should just feel a bit of discomfort or a bit of tension through the glute area. The most pain you shouldn't feel is about a 3 out of 10. So 0 is no pain, 10 is we call an ambulance for you. So you should be just a little bit uncomfortable as you do this exercise. And the focus of this is just to teach your glutes to engage as you do a hip extension. So this is the movement that you do when you're walking. If your glutes aren't activating properly, then your back's going to be doing most of the work, which gives you that back pain that everyone gets. So we're just teaching the glutes to fire again. And you're going to aim for about 12 reps. I don't know how many I've done now, but I'm feeling the burn. Probably do 2 more. And it's up to you. You can alternate like what I'm doing here, or you can do 12 on one side and then 12 on the other side. And just repeat for about 3 sets. That's your first exercise.